you guys are planning on taking on this timing cover job, either you're doing the timing chain, guides, gather gasket, if I'm not wrong, if you're doing the oil pump, you need to take the timing cover and the upper oil pan. So I'm gonna show you guys how to remove these. You gotta get rid of this, and the mount, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so went ahead and unplugged everything, removed the box, moved the wires to the side, coolant reservoir removed as well. The power steering reservoir, you guys can just pop it off and move it around as you need. So from here, you got a 10 millimeter bolt here that holds the harness. You just take that off and take this bracket and plug it off, just so you guys can move the harness to the side and have a clear space to work in. And then once we do this, like I said, you remove the grounds as well, so you can just get that wire out the way. And then from there, we're gonna start removing the motor mount from the top. And then we got a couple. This comes in a two-piece, so the first part comes out as the two bolts from the chassis, and then we gotta work our way around. Same for the thermos. We got to take it off, drain the coolant and all that. So from there on, all right, so there is two 14 millimeter bolts that hold onto the car chassis, and then you have three more 14 millimeter bolts. Two of those you could give from up top, and then you have one last bolt that has a nut. You have to loosen up the nut from the bottom, right? Go ahead and use a little pry bar. Got a quarter ratchet, 14 millimeter. There we go. Nice and easy. So this was definitely decent. This is how I do the the crankshaft bolt, or whatever you want to call it. We got it. Yeah, as you can see, it's leaking oil, so it's definitely out.